Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's November the 2nd, 2021. I wanted to come in today and speak on Binance Coin, give you all a price prediction for the particular cryptocurrency to see if this particular market is still going to explode. We want to see the price going to continue to go up in Binance Coin to make sure that we're still in position to capitalize off of the gains, right? You want someone to be in your corner to tell you, hey, I'm looking for the price in Binance to go up, to go down, wherever the case may be, so that we'll all know, okay, cool. It seems as if the market wants to go up, so let me get in position so that we can win in its space. Well, we're that channel. We're the realest spot that you guys are going to get price predictions in without the confusion, without the technical indicators, without reading articles, without reading someone else's tweet or looking at thousands of videos. We simply look at the price. The price is the language that people talk with their money. And if you understand it precisely, you can actually win consistently in this space. So if you guys want to join me, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to our channel. Tap the bell notification as well, because you don't want to miss it. You always will want to know where the market is going to go so that we can make the necessary adjustments when need be. So let's do this real quick. You guys can see from our last video in Binance, which was on September 22nd, 2021, we played the strength into the market in Binance. We was telling everyone then to expect the price to go up, and that is what the market has done so far. I mean, even to the point where we almost hit our ultimate TP price over the last 2 days. So if we were to get off the market right now in Binance, guess what? We'll have 11% in our accounts right now. Right. So from October the 22nd to November the 2nd, we'll be up 11%. Simple. So let me go ahead and get rid of this, because the question is, can we still see this price in Binance go up, right? We all want to know, can this market in Binance continue to give us some strength, continue to go up in price? So far, yeah, that definitely looks like that's the case. I mean, over the last 3 days in trading, you guys can see here, let me zoom in, that the market literally in Binance is willing to hold its price above $509, $510. That's very positive, because here, back in September, the beginning of September, ending of August, the market in Binance was bumping its head against that price level. And now we broke it here on October 29th. We've been testing it as support, and now we're still rising up to higher prices. And that's one reason why we're looking for the price in Binance to continue to go up. It's relatively simple. The market speaks with its dollars. It speaks with its pockets. And so far, the market is telling us that it wants to continue to go up in price in Binance. The second thing that you all can see here on a daily perspective is, the trend is still intact in Binance. The market is still showing that the price is going to go up. So we're still following the current trend, which is higher prices. That's the second thing that lets us know that this market in Binance wants to continue to go up in price. Okay. So given that that's the case for those two things, how high do you think the market's going to go? Do you think it's going to get $580, $620? Because we got to look to the left of the price chart to try to gauge where the market in Binance is going to get hit with restriction, right? The first area is around 580. Second area is going to be a little bit lower, $615, give or take, a little bit lower than 620. That would be the second area. So we got 580 and then 620, right? Those are the two areas that I'm seeing that price will be stopped from going up. 580s first and 620 second. All right, that's the second thing. Now, real quick, let's see what the chart looked like on the 3-day time frame. Okay, because so far I'm still expecting the price in Binance to go up. This is still a very strong market in Binance. I mean, we're not seeing any indication of weakness in Binance. Now, granted, we have 14 hours left before this current 3-day price bar ends, but for us to bounce off of that $515 price when back in September it was acting as restriction, is a very positive sign that people want the price to go up in Binance. So 580, then like I said, around $616, $610 will be the second area. We look pretty good on the 3-day time frame. This is the 5-day. Take a look at what happened on the last 5 days in trading in Binance. We saw a very good spread and we closed on the high of the bar. That tells us that this market is still trying to go up in price. I like that. Look at this on the weekly time frame. We saw the market last week in Binance come and touch this ascending line, right, during last week's trading, to end up towards the high of the bar. So even when all the selling came in over the last week, the market was still able to overcome whoever sold their Binance into the market and was able to lift the price up towards the high of the bar. That is why the market in Binance is going up. Plain and simple. It's not going up because of some type of news article came out. It's not coming up because of new protocol or some type of new invention that Binance is trying to implement. No, it's going up because people want to buy and want to increase the price. So what do you think we need to do? Right, I'm going to take this horizontal line right here and I'm going to bring it up here to $580, right? Because we're looking for the market to find its first batch of sellers right around that particular price. Okay, so let's see how we looked on the monthly. So this is the monthly time frame in Binance, right? We're starting off a fresh new month in November, and the price is still showing us that the market wants to go up. It might even make all-time highs before we end out 2021. Yeah, we might. Oh, we're gonna get real close, right? Given what happened the last 2 months, September and October, and for the market in Binance to close at the high, higher than what we did in September, lets us know that this market is trying to go up. All right, so we're going to continue to play the strength into the market in Binance. And from this perspective, let's see what we have. Okay, so like I said, we're going to play the strength into the market in Binance. First area is that $580 price that we can see the market get rejected. So let's anticipate that, right? That would give us around 6.6% profitability. And then the next area is like 616. That would give us around 13 point, well, just give me 13% right there. Okay. That will be the second area for us to play into the market in Binance. Okay. So let me go ahead and extend out these two lines within our price target area. And now we're in position, right? We're still playing the strength into the market in Binance. The first area for us to eat off the market will be right there around $580. It might fall a little bit shorter, like $570. Then the second area is go up there towards $616. And that's it. I mean, this is relatively simple. I mean, we looked at multiple time frames to see what the market is trying to tell us, and generally the sentiment is that they want to increase the price. And who are we to try to knock them off their square and tell them no, it needs to go down? When the market speaks, we need to follow and listen to what it's saying to us so that we can make the necessary moves. And right now they're telling us that the price in Binance is still aiming to go up in price. Now, can it explode? You got to define what explosion mean, because is a 5% move higher in explosion, or is it 10? Is it 13% in one day? I mean, that's left open to interpretation. You tell me. But generally, the move is for this price in Binance to go up, and we're going to follow that. Now, we're going to follow the market in Binance going up in price so long as it maintains itself above 500. And then secondly, as long as the price doesn't break this ascending line. Just that easy. Okay. So now it's your turn. Call the markets with me. Leave me a comment right now and tell me where do you all expect the price in Binance to go over the next 3 weeks throughout the month of November. Hit me up. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.